Having a little trouble getting your alternator in the slot? I may just have the fix for you. Welcome to You Can Fix Anything. Well, I'm in the process of replacing the alternator on my Honda Odyssey, and I was having some clearance issues on getting the new alternator installed. I'm actually replacing an alternator that I swapped out about 3 years ago. You can find the tutorial elsewhere on this channel, and the new one is not fitting in the boss, and that's an area where there's a saddle that it needs to slip into. I'll insert a quick shot of the video up here in the corner of this screen. And anyway, as hard as I worked, I couldn't get it in. And let me just show you through what I've tried and what I discovered. So normally when you replace an alternator, once you get the old one out, you want to compare it to the new one, make sure everything's clocked correctly. So as you can see, this boss and this boss are lined up. This electrical connector here lines up with this electrical connector. The one in the back here lines up, so everything's clocked correctly, and that's usually the extent of it. But what I found is that when I slipped the new one in, I could not get this boss to fit into the saddle. That I'll put it back up on the screen again, but I could not get this boss to fit in there. And this one, when I took it apart, it fit like a glove. There was just no issues, no extra clearance, but it was just nice and tight in there, and it slipped apart very easily. One thing that I noticed was that where this is, it was actually pressed up against here, so this insert was sticking out a little bit more. So I thought, okay, that's an easy fix. I'll take my soft face hammer, I'll knock this a couple times and push this out a little bit, and that should give me the clearance that I need. Put it back down in there, and this, takes a little bit to get it finagled down into this hole. It's a little bit of a back strain, but I got it back in and still did not fit. So the next step, I decided to get my calipers out and take a measurement. So I got my calipers out and made sure that they were zeroed out. Took a measurement on the old alternator, and it looks like it is about 1 inch, 780 thousandths. Sorry, I'm an old machinist, so go to this one, and it measures 1 inch, 830 thousandths. And so that's 50 thousandths thicker, even with this insert pressed in as far as I could get it, which means that I'm going to get to take a grinder and grind this surface down a little bit just to get it within spec so that that'll slip together. That is one of the dangers in buying the least expensive alternator you can find. Even though it's not a horrible job to swap out, it can be a headache to get it to fit. With only a couple minutes of grinding, I ground that down to about 1 inch, 775, which is about 5 thousandths of an inch less than the old one, so it should slip in just fine. I hope this tip was helpful, and I hope you don't have to deal with a headache like this. Have a great day.